Mastering HubSpot for Explosive Sales Growth, a step-by-step guide. Transform your sales strategy and boost your revenue with HubSpot. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering this powerful sales tool. Integration is key. HubSpot's ability to mesh with many sales tools is a game changer. Combine apps into one ecosystem for streamlined workflow, a dream for your sales team. Master client management. Organize and enrich client contact details with HubSpot's CRM. With personalized interactions just a click away, make every prospect feel like a VIP. Lead scoring routing. Say goodbye to manual lead assignments. HubSpot's advanced features automatically align leads with the best reps, optimizing your team's efforts, efficiency at its best. Keep an eye on the prize. Monitor your sales pipeline for instant insights, bottleneck identification, and savvy decision-making with HubSpot. Keep that sales process flowing. Email power-up with HubSpot. Craft and send compelling, personalized sales emails directly from the platform. The track opens and engages for strategic follow-ups. Scheduling made simple. HubSpot streamlines meeting scheduling and logging. Effortlessly book, invite, log details to keep your team synchronized. Automate and dominate. HubSpot, paired with Bardeen, elevates your workflow. Automate the mundane. Focus on high-impact tasks. Try it today and experience the transformation.